Again, it was solo thing.
Solo thing, yeah. So riding and not having any guy accompanying you, now that needs some special motivation, because if you have 10 people doing the same thing, you constantly get recharged from within that. Yeah, you can probably have a look at the others and get motivated and then join in. But doing it on your own, that requires something special.
Yeah, I would like to add that I won't regret it, but I feel bad about this thing, about the solo thing. I never want to do this solo. I always want. It's always good to be a part of group and do it. Not only these things, everything. Going into treks, planting trees. You have to be a part of a community. That is a better thing. But the thing is that I wanted to do something, then the group doesn't do it or something. We have to wait for it. So I don't want to wait for something. We have been waiting all our lives. From school to get into college, from college into engineering into to be a financially independent person.
True.
So I feel when I want to do it, I will just do it. So I'm not stressing on the solo. I would not like to stress on the solo part. But that's the thing. It's better to do in a group. I would say it's better to do.
कल करे सो आज करे सो अब कर, वही हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं आप. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. एंड ये मैंने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ आपके प्रोफाइल में देखी कि आपने, क्योंकि आप अभी ऑब्वियसली बाइसिकलिंग इतनी हाई लेवल पे कर रहे हैं, इतनी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेस कवर कर रहे हैं जो हार्डली लोग सोच सकते हैं. बिकॉज एक हॉबी होती है, भाई आधा घंटा चला लिया, 1 घंटा चला लिया, आप थक गए और आप उसको एक अलग लेवल तक लेके गए. आपने ए ग्रेड में बेसिक माउंटेनियरिंग कोर्स पास किया है फ्रॉम द हिमालयन माउंटेनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट लोकेटेड एट दार्जिलिंग, वेस्ट बंगाल. इसका एक्सपीरियंस बताइए, बिकॉज दिस इज अगेन समथिंग वेरी रेयर.
Exactly, I don't know why it is rare. There are so many good things. So many good things. Like government has, there are 3 institutes for mountaineering for civil people. One in Darjeeling, HMI, named Nehru Institute in this Uttarkashi, Uttaranchal. Then there is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute in Manali.
Okay.
And for as maximum as 4,500 or 5,000, you get to stay there for a month.
Wow.
You get to learn all those things. You get to do those adventures from the people who are from the military, and they are very experienced, who have been in the mountains. You get to go into the mountains. You get physically fit. So it is like a gym.
True.
Something like you get to eat food. You get all the accommodation. For 1 month, you are being charged only 4,500, and at the end of the month, you get a certificate. I don't know. This has to be promoted. And it is subsidized by the central government of India.
So we are having so many benefits from the government. Hardly anybody utilizes it.
That's the thing. The problem is about the promoting or publicizing it. There are so many things on the news channels, scams. Yes, it is very important to expose these things. But for 24 hours, I don't know, so many negative things. Someone might get depressed. There is only negative in the child born into this world. He gets only depressed. There is only negative things.
True.
I feel we should dedicate some time for positive things. So enough of issues. Solutions have to be, and we have to act.
True. People are ready to shell out, absurd amounts like up to 20,000 per year for gym.
Yes.
And you have Mother Nature providing you everything. All you need to do is just adapt to it.
Yeah. And people are there who they want to do something and they have much brilliant ideas. It is only they need a kind of a motivation. There are many brilliant people out there. I hear them, I get their inputs. The only problem is they tell them that they have some problems, that's why they cannot do it. People can do much better. But the thing is that they have some kind of problems. But that's the thing, we have to promote these things. Until and unless we don't promote it.
Probably rightly said that we just use our left side of the brain and not the right side. That kind of funda, we need to put it 100%, and then probably we have better things to look forward to. Now, just for your information, all the people who've tuned into A Cutting Chai on Must Radio with RJ Ashish and my very special guest Vaibhav Desai, this particular institute that we are talking about, the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute located in Darjeeling, for your information, was inaugurated, or rather the foundation stone was laid down by our very own Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and this was on the 4th November way back in 1954. It's a truly marvelous institute set up high up in the hills, surrounded by the Kanchenjunga ranges. Ideal place for such an institute, and trust me, if you've not been there, you must be there, and it's going to be a life-changing experience for you. Now, also a very important person who was from Darjeeling, Tenzing Norgay, if you all remember, one of the first 2 individuals who was in fact also known as Sherpa, was the first one, and there was another one, Edmund Hillary. Both of them managed to reach Mount Everest, and this was on 29th May 1953. So you can just imagine somebody in 1953 realized the importance of Mother Nature, realized the importance of leaving laziness and achieved a feat unattained by everybody. Much on the lines now, we see this special guest Vaibhav Desai trying to make a difference and enjoying the whole experience. Vaibhav, Tenzing, he's obviously looks like the idol that you look up to.
Yes, I appreciate his efforts, but I have not read much about him. But I really appreciate what he has done. You know, I cannot elaborate. I've heard a lot of things about him.
Yeah.
What difficulties he faced. You know, and those mountaineers were really great. Their shoes, they didn't have proper equipments, and even if they had, very heavy. And the way he was raised, so many problems he faced in his childhood, and I really appreciate that guy for taking such steps. I believe that he is much better than the other person. But because the things he went through and the things he have achieved in his life.
Obviously, Edmund Hillary was the one who accompanied him.
Yes.
And just to give our listeners a brief idea of how physically fit, or probably what physical and mental test do you need to undergo before you are eligible for admission into the basic mountaineering course at HMI?
For HMI, you require medical certificate just to be to clear if you don't have any medical problems. You know, something like BP, high BP, or something low BP, something like that. That's enough. You have to just be average.
Okay.
Yes.
And
they prepare you well.
Okay, they prepare you well. But I believe some self preparation is also needed. Probably this
on the website it has been written that you should run
exercise regularly for a month and all.
But I would say do the Surya Namaskar. Do the Surya Namaskar every day. That's enough. That's enough.
And that's coming from somebody who's been there, done that, and this should be taken seriously. He can cut down all the efforts for you to be physically fit. And just one more thing, probably we are highlighting from that course. Now, I believe there's something called as 25-kilometer up and down trekking involved in that course over a period of 25 to 30 days.
Yes.
It sounds very strenuous.
Yeah, it only sounds.
That
is the thing.
It's not.
So many people do it.
Yeah.
So many. There are so many people at the age of even 17 or 18 or maybe about 35 or 30, they are doing it. It's not, it's only sounds. Once you go there, once you gel with them, it happens. Yes, there will be pains, but you see so many people doing it. Automatically it generates your motivation factor.
It comes. It's like you get into engineering and then you come out as an engineer.
So many lakhs of people do it similarly.
Trust me, hats off to your risk-taking ability. Now, not many people, I believe, can leave their very cozy jobs as an IT program analyst and then, go a totally different side direction altogether in their life. What was that one thing, that one defining moment that, urged you to say that I'll chuck this and I'll go for this?
No, thanks for that. But again, I would like to say that many people are also doing it. Only it is about earning publicity. I'm thankful to this. Mumbai University Radio for giving me this platform to speak, to speak to people. But that's many people do it.
We are
and about
fortunate
the thought,
to have you.
Yeah, about the thought you are saying. As I said, right from the childhood, I wanted to explore. Somehow, and I told that I wanted to do MBA. But at the end, I realized when I did this first expedition towards Mumbai to Leh, I realized that all these years I wanted to do this, and I will be working very hard. And in second expedition I realized it is not only about taking from the we have to also, why not also, it's on other side some people will say that he's just showing off, but yes, we have to share, we have to create an awareness. So what I've realized that all these years I wanted to do such thing, so I'm doing my job for this thing. And after 15 years, when I look at these movies or like US movies, I get really afraid, some like 2012, the movie which came, everything is going to get destroyed. And I really feel afraid that I will be having loads of money, but what will I do with it? I wanted to do this, I'm just earning for that. And what's the use of that money?
What is the use of it?
So I thought, why not explore it right now and also create an awareness. This is, I'm just doing my bit to inspire, so that they get aspired to do better things in their own way. I'm sure everyone wants to do it. It's just one of the motivating factors they require. And I'm just doing my bit. There are so many people doing it. I'm just trying to reach out to people.
Great.
It's only with the help of people like you. Or the people, platform like these, Mumbai University Radio.
Very, very fortunate to have you and just be amongst us. It's a complete pleasure. Now,